Hi, welcome to this course, Data Analysis with Excel. What is this course not about? This course is not about learning basic formulae in Excel, learning charts, learning pivot tables, learning dashboards. No, this course is about me transferring my 10 years of experience as a data analyst to you, where I teach you as a data analyst to use Excel just like a tool to accomplish your objectives in data analysis. For example, I teach you the perfect chart to use for perfect situation, which dashboard to use for which specific business objective. I always tell my students, take your time, get a piece of paper, understand what you want to do before you open up Excel, because Excel is just a tool just like any other tool. So with this course, I expect you to be able to excel in data analysis. It's also part of my long-term training program of data science. So you can join this course just as a beginner to the data science program I have. And I will take your hand and help you to become that data analyst with Excel just as a tool. I am Cyril Bandolo with more than 10 years of experience data analysis. I have worked for MTN, Olamcam, and I'm currently Senior Manager, Data Analytics and Business Performance in Yumi, Cameroon. Join me and let me bring out the data analyst in you with Excel and help you do your data analysis.